Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is little different from what we usually do. As you know, we mostly focus on teaching electrical design softwares. But today we are going into world of AI chatbots. In this video, we will compare ChatGPT, Copilot and Deepseek to see which one gives the best response. To make it fair, we will test them three different type of questions. The questions are related to general knowledge related questions, coding related questions, and technical related questions. Let us see which AI chatbot is performing best. Now we will ask these questions to these chatbots. First of all, will ask name the countries with top military power. This is the first question, and we have asked this to the ChatGPT. And he gave the answer as of 2024 that top 10 countries with the most powerful military power are this is the list of the military powers according to ChatGPT. First is US and then at 10th is Pakistan. And also right there these ranks may vary different on criteria based on US, but the US, Russia and China constantly ranks as the top three due to their nuclear capabilities, defense budget and military strength. Now we have asked the same question to the Copilot. I will see. According to the Global Power Index, say name the countries with top 10 military power. He is writes according to the Global Power Fire Index 2020. He is giving the latest information 2020 as per the Global Power. He is also indicating that as per the Global Power Index, he also gives the links of the Global Power Index here. According to him, these are the 10 top 10 military power countries. Now we have asked same question to Deepseek. As per the most recent assessment, the countries with top 10 military power are typically ranked based on factors such as defense budget, to personal technology investment, military capabilities. Here is the list of countries generally considered to have the top 10 militaries. He has put the Israel here on the top at the 10th position. These numbers can vary slightly depending on the sea. He's giving more information here. That is, these rank is different depending on the source like Global Power Index, ISPR, or other related defense analysis. From these analysis, he take the data and then give the results. And specific criteria used. Little bit gives more information, and Copilot gives the latest information. He has the Global Power Index 2025. This is the question related to the general knowledge. Now we have asked the same question. Second question to ChatGPT is write a Python code for calculator. Write a Python code. He has written the Python code for a calculator like this. You can see this is the Python code for a calculator as per the ChatGPT. Perform basic arithmetic operation, the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and nothing more is given here in this. And the calculator provides a user-friendly manner for selecting the operation and ensure the error handling of invalid inputs. Let us know. Now, same question is asked by to the write Python code for calculator C. He has given also the Python code for a calculator. You have an option of copy here, and this code includes basic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. The user can choose which operation to perform. He also gives some links to the websites where he maybe has taken the data. And now we will see what about the Deepseek. Deepseek is also giving the same the copy option here to code the copy. And here how it works. It also explains how this calculator works. The program prompts the user to select the operation. Then it gives more information, more explanation to the code, and then I also show the example of output. More response is giving more response to the coding. And third question we have asked to the ChatGPT, which is related to general knowledge. What is the of 10 kilowatt apparent power is ether. We have asked what is the power factor of a load 10 kilowatt load having a apparent power to 0.5 kVA. He has performed the calculation. See, power factor is real power by apparent power, and they performed the calculation. In very short answer, he gave 0.8 answer. Now what we see about the Copilot. The Copilot, what is the power factor of the 10 kilowatt load? Apparent power is ether. He also performed the simple calculation and give the results. Now, what is the case of the Deepseek? Deepseek, what is the power factor of 10 kilowatt apparent? Same questions. See, the power factor is a major. He explains first power factor, then gives the formula of the power factor, then calculating the power factor, then result. In the result, he says the power factor is 0.8. This means he explains what does the power factor mean of apparent power is being converted into useful power, while the remaining 20% is reactive power, which does not convert the useful work but is necessary for the operation of it. Explains, gives more explanation to this question. So accordingly, you can now judge himself which one is best. We have covered it in 2 3 types: general knowledge, technical, and coding. All the three are covered in this video. Thank you.